Check the handle orientation by testing for comfortable reach and unobstructed movement. Start by positioning the handle where it feels natural for the typical user to operate while seated and standing. Check that the handle moves through its full range without hitting the tank lid, the wall, or any nearby fixtures. If it binds at any point, rotate the handle base until the motion is smooth. Verify that the actuator lever or knob returns to its neutral position reliably and does not require excessive force. Light, consistent pressure indicates proper alignment. Confirm that the handle does not interfere with the flush mechanism inside the tank by gently operating it with the lid removed and watching the linkage or cable for straight, unobstructed travel. For installations using an extension rod or offset adapter, make sure the components are straight and supported so they do not flex under load, which can cause misalignment over time. Finally, test from multiple user positions and heights to ensure the orientation supports comfortable use for everyone who will operate the fixture. A common mistake is assuming centered placement always works. If the handle is centered but forces an awkward wrist angle, then rotate it outward until the wrist is neutral and retest for smooth travel. Another frequent issue is not removing the tank lid when checking internal linkage. Without direct observation, you can miss binding. So lift the lid and operate slowly to see where adjustments are needed. People also often tighten the handle too much and strip the threads or deform the sealing gasket. Hand tighten snugly, then quarter turn with a wrench and test movement, loosening slightly if the mechanism binds. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors by listing professionals and providing a place for conversations about installation and positioning tips. We also help contractors find work by allowing them to connect with homeowners and participate in our active discussion community so everyone can share practical advice and real-world experiences.